Well, that shingle shot really kicked my you-know-what yesterday. All over body pain so bad I couldn't hardly move last night, and I woke up this morning and I have a 99.4 fever and I still don't feel very good, and we have this horrible rain that's almost here, so I scurried outside really quick to feed kitties. I'm not going to do the water bowls, they'll just get nasty in the rain. I can do them afterward. These guys should have enough time to eat, and then I'll move the food into the catio, hopefully before it actually rains hard. It's already spitting a little bit. Sure hope I get to feeling better soon. I don't feel too good at all. Alright, everybody's eating and doing well. And I won't be doing a whole extra lot this morning. I gotta finish yesterday's video because I was in so much pain last night. I couldn't stay on task and I fell asleep, and I'm sure I'll be better tomorrow. You know, they did warn me about these, you know, yucky feeling after shot 2. Well, I didn't mind sharing you with JB and Susie, but I am happy that you're back in your spot.
I am too, because I got a whole pile of newspaper to go through.
Yeah, I brought them in faithfully every day for you.
You did great.
I didn't have no time to read no paper.
I know.
Besides, I count on you to tell me all the important things I need to know that come from the paper.
Right. I did read the e-edition or flip through it, but not every day, because mornings were different. Every morning was different.
Well, we're getting a nice steady rain, which I'll take, and none of the bad stuff, at least not right now. We are under a tornado watch. We're ready. Kitties are fed, taken care of, dry chow moved in where it won't get wet. Kitties had time to take cover. Just a nice summer rainstorm. I'm hoping for at least a ½ inch. Won't have to water through the weekend. Good thing this is not tomorrow. Tomorrow's the car show. You knew this was coming today, right? He's got to get the bugs off the front of the car and clean up the dust and get Jules back in tip-top shape.
That's right.
Post-trip cleanup. We got about 2/10. That's better than nothing. You coming okay? The sun's coming out on you.
Yeah, I know. I've got to hurry.
I've about got the video done.
Good.
And the pain has subsided a little bit.
Well, that's wonderful, sweetie.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel human again.
Good. So the Tylenol kicked in, or more or less?
Yeah, either that and or the fever was, you know, breaking, or...
Yeah. Understand.
So Don's going to move her forward just a little bit. He wants to get the other side of the wheels. Make sure he can get the power washer inside, all the way inside the wheels, all 360 degrees. Right. She's cleaning up just fine, but obviously if you're going to drive down roads that aren't paved, you're going to have to do a little bit of extra cleaning. There she goes. This is how you move cars to clean wheels with a Tesla. Good job, Jules.
That was almost a ½ a turn.
Okay.
And I can't, but look at the bottom of the tire.
Right, I can totally see why you needed to rotate them, because
Yeah.
you got the chalk off of one side, but now you got chalk on the other side.
Right.
Well, right when it was time to leave to take Johnny to Taekwondo, this happened. Don is pulling out the van and taking Johnny in the van. We've got red box to return, but we'll do that when we pick Johnny up, because we've got until 9 o'clock. Obviously, he wasn't going to take Jules out in this after washing Jules, and, you know, he doesn't drive Ruby because of the safety score. I appreciate you, Donnie. Yeah, Johnny's doing instructor trainee first, and then the instructor class second, so, and he missed last week because of the trip. He can't really miss this week. Well, this is the most it's rained all day. I am glad that we're getting the rain. So, 1.25 inches. It was a pretty serious downpour. That came down pretty quick. Don got back from dropping Johnny off, and after the rain let up, he rinsed off the van. Dang, Donnie, what a novel concept. Oh my God, the windshield's clean. We even put a little wax on her and cleaned the door, you know, door frames and wiped off the dashboard and everything.
Yeah.
Woo!
We did what I'd call a 45-minute cleanup.
Yeah.
I washed her with soap and water and car washing water, and then of course it rained the whole time I was washing her. And
The van, by the way, just in case that wasn't clear.
And then, oh, it's pretty sky.
Yep.
So anyway, all I did is use the same spray and dry, wax and dry. Basically, it's turtle wax, and it's called wax and dry. Now look, I'm not trying to tell you this is some kind of super duper stuff, but I can tell you for the amount of effort, the same amount of effort it takes you to dry the car, you could put a little bit of protection on it. And one bottle says it does a little dab will do you. It says you should do it for 17 car washes. So it's about, I don't know what I paid, about $8 for that bottle. So I can tell you, if it doesn't do anything at all, it's but make it shiny, I would say it's worth that, because it's not that expensive and it goes on really easy.
Where's my air conditioning?
In the Tesla.
Well, first off, it ain't working too good in the van. It's hit or miss. And second off, Don didn't want to idle the ice car, so.
No idling. Not at $4.35 a gallon. There's no such thing as idling.
I like driving the Tesla because Don don't never make no comment about the cost of driving it.
Nope. Hey, I can open Johnny's door, but I can't open yours, sweetie. Sorry.
We came through the other neighborhood and there was a new Model Y charging outside, and I waved at him. I was like, oh God, I'm not in the Tesla. They won't know why that funny lady in the Honda was waving at him. No. I'll have to wave at them another day. They was out in their front porch near their new pretty car.
Yeah, it was just silver.
Midnight silver metallic, yeah.
Model Y is pretty.